Add a material with a displacement node and image texture nodes to your mesh. Create a new 32-bit displacement texture. Make sure the material is set to displacement only. Use cycles with experimental features. Add a subdiv modifier with adaptive subdivision checked. In texture paint mode, you can load an alpha texture on your brush. Make sure it's set to non-color or linear for best results. Set mapping to stencil and set falloff to constant. Shift-Ctrl-click on the image texture node to see it in the viewport. Now you can paint the displacement on it. Shift-Ctrl-click on the principled PSDF to see what you've got. When you render the camera view, the result will look perfect.